I love watching these type of videos, so let's do a Costco haul. These cinnamon rolls, I love these so much. They're so good. You place them in the microwave for like 10 seconds and they are so ooey gooey. Here we have some mini waffles. They're so good. You can eat them while you sipping on your chocolate, or just eat them just to eat them like a snack. They're so bomb. Dutch caramel vanilla waffles. I also went and got me some veggies because buying fresh veggies, sometimes they rotten and spoil in the fridge. So I went ahead and grabbed these. It has broccoli, cauliflower, orange, and yellow carrots. Up next, we have these wild berries. They are so good. I used to buy them at Publix, and they used to be so expensive. At Costco, you are getting more bangs for your buck. So blueberries it is at Costco. And also I got some strawberries because I love making smoothies. I got me some frozen strawberries. Somebody tell me, why are cherries so expensive? Like the other day I went to Publix, grabbed like this amount. It was $12. I was like, cashier, come remove this for me because it's too expensive. This, I think it was like $9 at Costco. Like, thanks, Costco. All right, we got some eggs because we love boiled eggs, fried eggs, anything with eggs in it in this house. So I got me some eggs, okay? Next, I love buying these veggies and fruit pouches for my kids. They love it. It's healthy. And I rated them on the Yuka app. If you don't have it, go ahead and get it. It's not sponsored, but I love using the Yuka app. It tells me what's good and what's not good. And this one is very, very healthy for the kids. So I went and got these. Also, we got some organic ginger juice. These are so good. They have smoothies too, but these are very, very, very good. Cold pressed, no preservative, no sugar added, and no like artificial flavors. So go ahead and grab you some at Costco. And also I got the smoothies. Got the smoothies. These have different flavors, which is why I love them. So yeah. Also, we got some vanilla protein shakes. If you know, you know. If you're working out, you want to build muscle, get you some on Costco, okay? I used to be obsessed with sweet potatoes, but lately I've been obsessed. Okay, so I grabbed me some sweet potatoes. I like to cut them in half and just add some salt and pepper and bake them. Add some butter. Chef's kiss. And also we got some salmon from Costco. How many pounds? 2.8 pounds for $31. So I saw these candy grapes at Costco. I said, let me try them out. I'll let y'all know how it tastes, okay? It looks like regular grapes. Last but not least, I actually saved the best for last because I want to do a separate unboxing for these. If you know, you know. I've been eyeing these for the past months and I finally got them. So I'm gonna make a different review or video for this. So go on the next video so you can watch this.